Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your favorite girl, A.MaRee, and today's video is going to be showing you my flawless skin wearing foundation.
I don't know if that made sense.
I'm just going to give you guys a quick rundown on how I've been getting a even foundation application. I know you guys probably heard me talk about how my skin, it always turns gray or ashy on me. Well, I've been trying these products out for like 2 weeks now, and my skin has not changed up on me. My foundation skills, my powder, none of that has switched up on me. This is a two-part video, so if you guys want to see the eye look, then go ahead and check out the video. I'll have it linked up in the eye and down below in the description box. And we're gonna go ahead and jump into the face. If you're interested in seeing this type of video, go ahead and keep on watching. But before we go any further, I would love for you to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell. Become a part of the DG4L squad. All right, you guys, so since I already did my eye makeup this far, now I am gonna go and put a little bit more of my Wet n Wild water drop primer. This one is in Cucumber. And while we're letting that sink in, we are gonna move on into Secret. And it's not really a secret, it is a magic trick that Savannah Silver, I think her name is, here on YouTube, introduced me to. I want to thank you, Savannah. Not that she knows who I am, not that she's even watching this video, but I do want to give credit where credit is due, and it is going to be my MAC Paint Pot in Painterly. She is a hidden gem and a secret to the beauty community that I don't think no one's picked up but Savannah. So you're going to take your paint pot and rub your finger around. I like using my finger. You can use a brush, but I like using my finger because it, you know, gets the product warmed up and ready to go. And we're just going to place this in our smile lines. And we're going to pat it right on in and bring it all the way up to the creases of your nose. Wherever you have creasage at, besides under the eye.
In my opinion.
I tried it a couple of times and it just doesn't work. Anywhere else that you would have creasage at, you go ahead and apply it. Smile to see exactly where my smile line's at and apply it right in that area. Go ahead and nail my face yesterday and do my skincare routine. If you don't know how to shave your face, or you're interested in seeing how I shave my face, I will have my nail video down below. So the next product I am gonna go in with is my favorite, my Bobbi Brown Skin Finish Skin Foundation. I know she's a bit of a high end and everybody is like, girl, I ain't got time. But go ahead and use your Maybelline Fit Me because it also works with Maybelline Fit Me. This shade is in Golden Almond 6.75. Y'all, I love this. She's gonna come off a little bit brighter, but y'all don't skip
out on me, don't. Oh no, sis, you out pocket.
Just trust it. Like, I am gonna use a brush to blend all this out, and you're gonna go right over your Painterly, and you don't have to use so much. I noticed that you don't have to use so much foundation. It is all going to be good. Like, y'all know I love a full coverage, but watch this, sis. Watch this. And as you could tell, the foundation covered the Painterly paint pot right up. And I make sure to press everything in really good. I've been using a brush lately and been absolutely loving it. I don't know what made me stop using brushes. So now we're gonna move on into contour, and I am gonna be using my A.MaRee New York 24-Hour Flawless Concealer, and she is in Dark Cocoa. And if you guys have not seen my full review and unboxing on my A.MaRee New York, just go into the Google or YouTube search bar and put in A.MaRee Beauty A.MaRee New York, and the videos should come up of all products and all videos I used it, and get to watching, boo-boo, because you do not want to miss out on this. Now with dark cocoa, you don't want to do too much. You want to just give it a little bit because this is very pigmented. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you guys, if I am doing any bits of voiceover throughout this video, it's because they're mowing the lawn outside. Now, one brush that I have noticed that I absolutely love when it comes down to contouring is my Morphe E45 brush. You guys, I am loving this brush. It is small and dense and very powerful that I just love using it. Like, I love using this brush just to blend out my contour, and then I do also go over it with my foundation brush. I don't add any more product. I just go over it with whatever is left on the brush just to blend it out. So now I'm going over with my foundation brush, and I'm going to press it in really good. Now we're going to move on into concealer, and I am going to use two different concealers. First, we're going to use the Maybelline Fit Me in 30 Cafe, and I am going to trace out my contour just to snatch it up a bit. And we're going to go ahead and blend her out. And I know she's looking a little harsh right now, but just trust the process. And I forgot to tell you guys that I am using my Morphe blending sponge. We're gonna take our foundation brush one more time and just blend out the edges right where you see that line. And we're just gonna blend that out. We're going to take our same beauty blender and we're going to begin to blend that out. So now we're going to go in with our ColourPop No Filter Dark 40 Concealer, and we're just going to take this right under the eyes, and it doesn't have to be a lot considering we already did one layer of Maybelline Fit Me, and anywhere that I put my concealer, I'm only going to put the ColourPop No Filter underneath my eyes, but we are going to blend out whatever remainder is around our face. Your contour and your highlighter together just so that it could flow easier. To me, it blends out better when you do it that way. When you marry the two, have them meet up in the middle, and whatever is left on the sponge, I'm just going over the same areas that I already highlighted. Now with my concealer brush, I just go over the harsh lines so they could blend better. And this is a little trick that I just started doing not too long ago. And it absolutely blends way better. And we are gonna set our concealer with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Loose Setting Powder. This one is in Banana. Y'all, I love how they gives you such an airbrush baby doll feeling and look. Oh, it's so beautiful. We're good so far and we are almost done. Now what I have learned is that I like to bronze before I set my face with the rest of the powder. So I am gonna go old school, and I know they discontinued this product, but if you look at their website, they reformulated and brought this product back. It is gonna be the CoverGirl Queen Ebony Bronzer. Now this particular ebony bronzer is back with CoverGirl, formulated in the full spectrum line. Okay, I am gonna take my thick fluffy Sonia Kashuk brush and I'm gonna, you know, dust it around and bronze up my skin. Gonna put some right in the hairline, of course, just a little underneath, not too much. The NYX No Filter finishing powder, this one is in deep golden, and we're gonna set the rest of our face. And I'm just gonna use my Royal and Langnickel motor brush. We're just gonna swirl it around. Clean up that area. So now I'm gonna spray my face, and this is the Olay Ultra Hydration Essence Calming Spray. It has aloe leaf and chamomile extract. I'm gonna set my face with this, and I am gonna go over that hydration with the CoverGirl Lock Up All Day Setting Spray. If you guys have not tried this, this is a very good drugstore setting spray. I need to get another one because I'll be killing it. And you don't need a lot. I am gonna take the opposite end and just press it in everywhere very lightly. I am gonna finish my face off with my Becca Prosecco Pop Highlighter. This is a beautiful yellow gold, and I just want a sweep of it. I don't want a lot, so I'm gonna use my e.l.f. highlighting brush. She's really fluffy. We're just gonna glaze her on. And this is really the face that I've been getting for the last 2 weeks. I will come back later on and do a check-in with you guys and let you guys see how my face is looking after a long day, of course. And yeah, I hope you guys are like into this and you actually learned something. So I will see you guys in a little while. Hey you guys, I'm back. Sorry if my voice is a little bit low. It is 9 something at night, and I will put the timestamp somewhere right here, but it is late at night. We just got home, and don't mind my hair because you guys, I glued baby girl on today and I worked her right off. But I wanted to come back and show you guys exactly what my face is looking like. I am gonna do some up closes for you guys. My foundation and everything right here is 2 different colors because of course I took the alcohol and wiped it all away, the glue area and stuff like that. But other than that, you guys, my smile lines are just now starting to come in, if you could tell. Like my smile lines are just starting to come in, and you see the markings Well, this is not really it, that just shows my cheek. But as you can tell, if I smile hard, you see where it would crease, and then when you let go, you see the markings. The Painterly Paint Pot by MAC is a go, I'm telling you guys. And literally, I did not reapply my lips or anything today. They're just starting to wear off, and it's because I just ate my dinner, which we had baked chicken. Nothing is wrong with my face. Everything looks exactly the same from when I did my makeup earlier. I could, you know, scoot over right here and give you guys the side by side from earlier versus now, and you guys can honestly see that my face is still looking exactly the same. I just wanted to let you guys know this is the new way that I will be doing my makeup from now on, because it actually holds up. The highlighting, everything is still going good. My eyeshadow is still bright and perfect, like if I just applied it. I do have the creasing under my eyes, as you could tell, but you guys, I told y'all from the beginning, I didn't put Painterly there because I had already tried it once before and I still creased. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell. Become a part of the DG4L squad, and I'll see y'all in the next one.